How to disable File Explorer tabs in Windows 11. The File Explorer tabs on Windows 11 are helpful, but they can get in the way for some people. Get them disabled with this guide. Microsoft was hoping to launch the tabs feature in the File Explorer app for Windows 10. But it scrapped the idea later on. However, with the Windows 11 22H2 update, users can now try out the tabs feature in File Explorer. The participants of the Windows Insider program got early access to the feature, and Microsoft could soon apply the tabs idea to Windows Notepad as well. How to disable File Explorer tabs in Windows 11. You can disable the File Explorer tabs by either using the Vive tool or the Vive tool GUI version. The latter is much simpler to use because you can search for a feature and activate or deactivate it in one click. But before doing that, download and install both of these tools on your system. Also, create a system restore point for added precaution, in case the tool wrecks something on your Windows 11 computer. 1. Disable File Explorer tabs using the Vive tool. Since it is a command line tool, you can access it from a terminal window. Press Win+R to launch the Run command box. Type CMD in the text input area and press Ctrl+Shift+Enter key to launch the command prompt with administrator privileges. Type CD drive name path. Here, you need to enter the exact location where you extracted the tool after downloading it. For example, we extracted it to a folder named Vive in C drive. So, our command is cdc vive. Now, you will be in the directory where Vive tool exists. You will see a bunch of parameters you can use with the tool. Type the following two commands, one by one in the CMD, and press the Enter key. Vive tool, disable, ID, 37,634,385. Vive tool, disable, ID, 36,354,489. You will see that successfully set feature configurations if the command executes successfully. Now, restart your system for the changes to take effect. The File Explorer tabs feature will no longer be active on your system. 2. Disable File Explorer tabs using the Vive tool GUI version. The GUI version of Vive tool works similarly. You can manually enter the feature ID or use the search function to find a feature in the list. Repeat the following steps to disable File Explorer tabs using the Vive tool GUI. Want a File Explorer with tabs in Windows 11? Try these 3 free apps. This is understandable, considering tabs make multitasking easier when working with files and documents in Windows 11. Luckily, you don't have to wait until Microsoft adds this feature to their file browser, as there are free File Explorer apps with tabs that you can use today. 1. Files. The Files app is the closest you can get to Windows File Explorer, as it's very intuitive and easy to use. Once you install it from the Microsoft Store, you can create tabs by clicking the plus sign on the title bar, just like you would in a web browser like Google Chrome. Other notable features of Files include file previews, custom themes, dual-pane layouts, cloud drive support and protection, and file tags. 2. Explorer++. Explorer++ is a lightweight and portable file browser, meaning you don't even have to install it. Once you download and extract the zip file, double-click on the X file to open the app and start enjoying a new, tabbed experience. Creating tabs in Explorer++ isn't as intuitive as Files since there's no plus sign anywhere to make it obvious. But you can easily do it by pressing Ctrl+T or right-clicking on any tab and selecting New Tab. 3. Qt Tab Bar. If you want to do all your tabbed browsing without using a Windows File Explorer alternative, you can add tabs to it with Qt Tab Bar. Once you install the extension, you'll see that tabs have shown up below the address bar. You can create new tabs by clicking on the plus sign next to the last tab you added. Enjoy File Explorer apps with tabs in Windows 11. Having tabs in Windows Explorer File Explorer can make you more efficient when working with your files and folders. But since Microsoft's default file browser lacks this feature, you'll have to get it elsewhere or add it. To that end, you can look into Files, Explorer++, and Qt Tab Bar. While there are many more File Explorer apps you can look into, we have selected these for people looking for something completely free.